Good morning, everyone. This is Mo. I'll give you just a little quick one on vehicle maintenance. Anybody can do this, except maybe somebody, but most anybody can do this. Get Lula to come over here and get a little closer and show you the battery cables. Look like they're growing fungus. And I got some stuff from the parts store. It's blaster. Looks like they're growing Pepto-Bismol or something on. I don't know. This one's green. This one's white. I don't know. All I know is that's just a matter of time for it won't do nothing but click when you go to jump in it. Got this stuff from the parts store. It says blaster on it, but it's blaster battery terminal cleaner and protector. So we're gonna give it a try. It's not only on the cables, but it's working on the battery hold down too. So we're gonna give it all a little dose. Oh yeah, that's foamy. I like that. Probably gonna take these cables off and clean the inside of them too, because all you're doing right here is just cleaning on the outside of it. Hey, it turns pink. That means there's presence of acid according to the label. Now it looks like the stuff that you spray in a wall and it foams up. Let's see if that'll sit right there. So I'm gonna take this little brush, just kind of clean around them a little bit. Ah! Just kidding, it didn't really get me. Lula loves it when I do that, like that, and blow the horn at her when she walks in front of the truck or something. It's just fun. Just remember something. It don't cost you nothing to make somebody laugh or smile or be nice. There's plenty of crabs in the world. Don't add to it. Let me grab the water hose. You're supposed to spray that off. Ain't you glad you don't have to go to a well and pump it out and all that stuff? Just looky there. Looky there. And that stuff works pretty good. Get where I can see it now. Give it another little scrubby. I don't understand why they put such cheapy little battery cables on something like that. That thing looks like the tab off of a soda can. I'm gonna give it another little drink. I like this stuff. Sure. All up in there. I'm gonna just coat the whole thing. How about that? Somebody told me that vinegar do the same thing. I can't get no vinegar from Lula. She's usually too busy putting pickles in it or something. So I knew it'd be safe to get this. I wonder if you could pickle with this. Doubt it. Ain't that looking good? Give it another little. You see that pink on there? That's supposed to mean there's presence. See that pink? That's the presence of acid detected. Well, who would have thunk it? It's a battery. But I think what they mean is that should stay inside the battery. And it's all up in here on the outside. And if you don't clean it up, first thing you know, you'll have a click when you go to get in it. Either that or your battery's going to be flopping around there like me trying to put on my tennis shoes time. And it's going to corrode and eat out that battery hold down cable or the clamp right there. A lot of pink in that one. This battery must be leaking. No telling. That cleaned up pretty good, but we're gonna go one step further. Always disconnect your negative first, or you'll make it look like the 4th of July under your car hood. You don't want that. You know that, Woodrow. Usually you can just wiggle these a little bit and it'll come off. There you go. That way you can reset your clock, your radio, and all that good stuff. But resetting the clock ain't no big deal compared to trying to get it jumped when you think that's what it is. This little dude here goes inside this part of it, and this end goes on the battery side. Clean that up, keep it out of the way. Don't want to hook back up yet. We're going to disconnect this one if it don't break off. No, I didn't. But there is some gum in between there. Looky there, you can't get it all off just by spraying stuff in there. I like to get it cleaned up. See, there's some underneath it. I have to clean that up good because that's my toothbrush. Yeah, that working real good. But why in the world would you put such a creepy little cable on a thing that's got to spin over a 350 horse engine? Look at that. I guess because they didn't ask me, they just put it on there. I think I'm gonna give that inside underneath that another little squeak. Cable itself, post, battery post, get them underneath a little bit. You go, oh, looky there. I want to see if the parts store make good on that lid. That shouldn't have broke that easy. Looks like we got it cleaned up pretty good. I'm gonna wind up having to replace that. But what you know, it's made into the thing. I've already replaced one of them over here. But this one here is on its way out. And I'd rather do it here in the yard than set inside the road somewhere. So let's hook this positive cable back up. Put your ratchet wrench back in drive. Tighten her back down. Pow! That's what they like to do. That gives you a little extra. You hear that? It gives you a little extra fun when it breaks off. Gives you another something to do today. All right. We're gonna give it a go, see if it'll crank up now. I hear it dinging. Looky there. Hey, I don't know how it done it, but it kept the clock. I don't have to reset the clock. How about that? On to the next project. I forget who it was, said, ain't got time for sleeping. You can do plenty of that when you did. Let's find something else to get into around here.